Today I want to show you how to install this handle set on this Marvin Sliding Door. This is the Inactive panel, and I don't know how many times I have people call me saying they can't figure out how to put this handle on because of this special offset, and I'm going to show you why. The reason why Marvin does an offset on the Inactive panel is so when you have the handles here, that this handle is not touching this astracal. So they use an offset to offset the handle so there's a gap on this side and a gap on this side so it looks more symmetrical. So let me show you how to put it on the handle. Okay, so we got a handle set that someone attempted to put together already, so we'll go ahead and finish it up. This is a gasket. Now we need to make sure this is the exterior handle, and we know it's the exterior because there's no screw holes. And then this is the bottom of the handle because there's a little relief right here that you can see, so if any water does get in there, it can drain out. So we go ahead and put this gasket on, and then we go ahead and install these little offsets. Okay, we don't want to over tighten these. We want these to be able to spin a little bit. Just like that. Okay, let me show you how simple this is to put on. You just make sure that it's relatively close. Just pop it on there like that, and we'll put the handle on the inside. Okay, now we got this on just like that. We'll put this one on like this. We'll put the screw in, top and bottom, and tighten it up. It's that simple, and you're all done. Just like that.